Alright, everybody want to know what upgrades I did. Alright, in the front, I did the brush guard, the winch, the LED lights, the scanner light for the Night Rider. I did the Polaris logo. I designed that with the Decepticon in the middle. I put Racer Tech springs on. I did extended mud flaps from Mud Busters on eBay. I changed the rims. Got the ITP Mud Light XTR tires. Got the rock slider. Got the bear claw doors. In the rear, I got the trail armor mud flaps. I got the Cooter Brown trunk, the cab extender, the Rockford Fosgate marine speakers, LED light, roof, grab handles, rear view mirror. I changed the steering wheel. I changed the seats, put the Polaris seats in, put the Pro Armor 5-point harnesses, the net. Down here I put some more Rockford Fosgate speakers, changed the gear shift, redid the whole dash, put the radio control here, put the horn here, control my lights. The last button controls the winch. Move the cigarette lighter, move the headlight switch, move the 4-wheel drive switch, spare tire, Racer Tech rear springs, radio antenna up there. What else I did? I did the bag. This little Polaris bag. The light bar. I'll cut all the lights on. Look like daylight.
Cause we made it. Back in the phantom, we made it. All of the shit that I did, I probably won't remember tomorrow.
Got the Rockford Fosgate down.
You're in the middle of 10 joints in a row. This is why I love y'all. WJL.